Why, hello there, little deadbeats. It is I, Turquoise GT, and happy Halloween. Welcome to the Turquoise Sound Effects Library. And now we're on the Halloween section of the sounds. Now, if you hear this pixelated synthesized sound, that means we're moving on to the next sound effect I'm going to show you. It contains laughs, roars, screams, bats chirping, wolves howling, etc. Anything you can imagine. But be warned, if you're under the age of 7, 8, 9, or 10, or any young age I don't care about, please take off your headphones and listen to some nice, calming ASMR. Now let's begin. But here's a little piece of advice. Don't be afraid. So yeah, that's about it for me. That's all the sound effects I can come up with. I was thinking of doing the wind, but the wind is very hard to capture sound. Every time I keep going out to capture it, it just stops, whistling. And please forgive me when I said sound ideas in my second and first sound effects library, because I really thought that was another name for sound effects, until I realized it's the actual name of a company. I mean, what kind of psychopath would be stupid enough to think sound ideas was another name of sound effects and figuring out it's a stupid company that makes sound effects? Sorry about that. I was getting a little enraged. Does it count as copyright if I mention sound ideas? Oh, whatever. So like, comment, and subscribe, and put this on your recommended list if you're thinking of putting sound effects in your videos. And yeah, that's kinda it for me. So until next time, have a safe day, stay off the roof, and happy Halloween, my little deadbeats.